What we're going to do is we've had Rod up.
Let's stay in touch.
We'll probably maybe get him up again later if we have time. I'm going to do one quick poem just because I want to. And then I'm going to get Enrico here to sing some of his original songs, and then we're going to have Janet Kwong come up and do some poems, and we're going to have Cynthia Sharp come up and do a couple, and then Stephen Carr may do one or two, he's not sure, and if we have time we'll get Rod up again. And if anybody else wants to get up, do let me know, and I'll make that decision. Hidden the balance. So I'm going to do one now called Tumbling Down. It's about kind of arts throughout the ages. Shakespeare said it with quill and ink and inspiration's golden link, and the words came tumbling down in sonnets and verses, plays and prose, in theaters and traveling minstrel shows. His passion still rages and spills from the stages onto the glitter of sound sets through the ages. Tumbling down, still tumbling down. Now Mozart said it in notes and keys, in compositions and symphonies, and the music came tumbling down, illuminating the darkness undressing, saints and sinners and angels confessing, the agonies and ecstasies and serenades and rhapsodies, tumbling down, still tumbling down. Michelangelo said it with paints and brush, guided by an angel's touch, and the colors came tumbling down onto the Sistine Chapel ceiling, saints, cherubs, and angels kneeling in a masterpiece of holiness, saving grace and forgiveness, tumbling down, still tumbling down. Artists, musicians, poets, and sages, droplets of gold on history's pages, tumbling down throughout the ages. Their legacy is a living will. Their world of beauty surrounds us still, tumbling down forever.